Here's how to work like a maintenance manager on Zira. First, our plant round form. You can use your smartphone to scan a QR code that leads directly to Zira's digital plant round form. After submitting, Zira automatically generates a work order for your team, notifying you of any issue on our maintenance channel. On Zira, you can even schedule your preventive maintenance orders to ensure those weekly or monthly tasks are not forgotten. Next, analyze all of the data on Zira's dashboard, which summarizes all of the plant round submissions and the average temperatures or trends in your production rooms. Whether it is from your dashboard or feed, Zira allows you to quickly take action, such as sending reminders, messaging team members, or ensuring your facility is performing efficiently. Ready to see more? Get started with us today and adopt Zira as your all-in-one maintenance solution.